This is the new versatile UREVO Strol 2S Pro treadmill. You can exercise while working at the desk when the handrail is folded, or exercise with it up. UREVO is a global leading innovative home fitness company. This unit is powerful, portable, versatile, foldable, sleek and slim, with manual or auto 9-level incline. 8-point shock absorbers, 4 on each side internally in the base, that make it stable, quiet, and safe. And the UREVO treadmill has a great smart coach app that I'll fully demonstrate for you. And with the dual display, one on the console and one on the base, you get your exercise data whether it's folded or upright. And this unit is available now with a really good discount, so it's totally affordable. Frank George here. I really wanted a treadmill that is completely quiet, foldable, that offers incline feature, and this UREVO does. In fact, it offers adjustable or automatic 9-level inclination, offering a 9% maximum incline. And my wife wants me to store it at the end of my workouts daily to make sure it's out of the way when the grandkids visit. Easy to do. And the Smart Coach app has pre-programmed modes that help you burn those calories and stay informed and be entertained at the same time. You'll love the app. It's got integrated outdoor scenery, and it automatically mimics the inclines of outdoor running or walking, providing an outdoor training experience from the comfort of your home.
So when you want to start a new workout, you go to Let's Get Started, go down to the bottom of the screen where it says Strol 2S Pro and hit connect. And then you will hear a beep and you are connected.
And the UREVO Smart Coach app allows you to be able to access your workout data as you wish.
The data center records days, week, month, year, and all. Each day will have its own information. It shows the time, the workout time, active days, the steps that I've done, the distance that I've gone, and the calories. So this is in your data center.
And I really enjoy it in the winter too, when it's cold outside, because I stay nice and warm in front of the fireplace while I exercise. You'll really love the dual screen display too. One is on the handrail and one is on the base. You're always in the know. The UREVO Strol 2S Pro is stable and quiet, really important to me. I like to work out in the morning while the wife is sleeping, so it's quiet. I don't disturb her at all. Listen.
I'm putting my microphone right next to the motor.
And it has internal 8-point shock absorbers, ensuring stability, and it limits the stress on my joints. The anti-shake, anti-wobble equals stability. It's really great. And there's an included hex tool too that you store in the base. It helps you to tighten the handrail to put it in the up position and down. By tightening with the hex tool, it's nice and strong and sturdy. And then when you want to lower it, just loosen. And the UREVO is really powerful too, with the internal robust 2.5 horsepower motor, offering speeds from 0.6 to 7.6 miles per hour. And there's a remote too that you can control the unit with. And there's another great feature in the UREVO treadmill. It's the anti-slip bracket for my tablet or my smartphone and a TV remote. Nothing slips. And the big wheels allow for easy moving. And when you get yours, you can unbox it and have it ready to go in about 15 minutes.
And inside the box, we find a user manual, registration to activate your 24-month warranty card, power cord, and lubrication, lanyard, remote, plus batteries, and your display. Just download the app next. Sign up, verify your email, then you create your profile. And to use the UREVO treadmill, you have to put the safety lock on.
So get yours today on. Now really enjoy that great discount too. Here's to your health. Oh, and please comment, like, and share this video with your friends and your family.